This is my custom-made clone. I used a Sharpie to make those red marks. And I gave him like this visor. So then he has cool, like a huge red line right there. On the top it has two huge like red half circles, which makes a circle together. And it has that red line right on the top. And I have two blue shoulders, just a normal gun, and a blue back. So, the other guy I customized was this droid. Right on the top, it's all red. And then I gave it this round little pack. And the rest is all the same. And those are my two Lego new guys. Or guys that I customized.